Budokon is the science of mind and movement. It is considered the most intelligent training in the world. The flow and flexibility practice will change the way you move forever. These carefully chosen techniques from the Budokon System will teach you to address areas of weakness and limited range while cultivating kinetic chains of energy and seamless transitions. The special tutorial guide, one-on-one teaching with myself, Cameron Shayne, makes this DVD perfect for both the Budokon novice and a seasoned practitioner. With a perfectly balanced blend of Budokon techniques, this DVD promises to be like nothing you've ever seen before. If you've been looking for a DVD workout that will finally take you to your greatest physical potential and at the same time cultivate awareness of mind, this is it.